How to remove clock on lock screen on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. Scroll down in here, search for Customization. Or if it's your other Android devices, you'll find Wallpapers or Lock Screen option. You can click on it. After that, you'll find Clock on lock screen, or in my case it's clock on ambient display, so simply click on it. Then scroll down or scroll to the left or right and then press on none. After that, you will see no time at the top. Press on save at the bottom right corner of your screen, and after you do that, the clock will be removed from your lock screen. And this is how to remove clock on lock screen on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.